Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai guys, kembali lagi di channel yang membahas informasi dunia otomotif, baik info nasional maupun internasional. Automotive Start.
Ducati has just presented the Panigale V2 Super Quattro Final Edition, a limited series collector's motorcycle which has the significance of a certificate of gratitude and love for the Super Quattro engine family, the most sophisticated twin-cylinder ever produced by Ducati. The culmination of a long series, which began over 30 years ago, of 90-degree V2 engines with desmodromic distribution with 4 valves per cylinder and ended with Nicolo Bulega's Supersport title. This collectible Panigale, produced in a limited and numbered series of 555 examples, is a tribute to the Super Quattro engine, whose story comes to fruition with the conquest of Nicolo Bulega's first Supersport world title. The Panigale V2 Super Quattro Final Edition is powered by the Super Quattro engine with a displacement of 955 cubic centimeters, as enjoyable when riding on the road as it is effective and responsive on the track, with its 155 horsepower and a peak torque of 104 Newton. Ducati's tribute to this revolutionary engine takes shape with a collector's motorcycle. The Super Quattro tribute livery, created by Druidi Performance together with the Ducati Style Center, remains faithful to the Ducati stylistic language using its characteristic colors, white, red, black and gray. The curve of the shield, on the upper half fairing, extends until it coincides with the shapes of the motorbike, and the number plate below follows its shape. The Super Quattro becomes the protagonist of the livery thanks to the technical design shown on the sides of the fairing, in the exact position of the engine, playing on gray tones to remain in the background. The dark and cold tone of the matte gray of the tank accentuates the contrast with the colors on the fairing, giving the bike a modern character. The livery is then completed with the saddle embellished with embroidery which adds elegance to its sporty style. Safety and full control of the motorbike are always guaranteed by the electronic equipment of the Panigale V2, based on the use of the 6-axis inertial platform. The technical base of the Panigale V2, characterized by the monocoque chassis solution, is embellished by the Öhlins suspension and steering damper. The Rizoma rider footrests are adjustable, made from billet aluminum. The front and rear mudguards, the silencer end caps, the chain guard, the clutch cover protection, the one for the swing arm and the one for the shock absorber are made of carbon fiber. The battery is lithium-ion. The Panigale V2 Super Quattro Final Edition is offered in a single-seater configuration, with sports grips. The dashboard animation and key-on and ignition key are unique to this model. Like every collectible Ducati, the Panigale V2 Super Quattro Final Edition is made unique by the steering plate, in this case machined from solid, on which the model number is shown. The motorbike will be accompanied by a certificate of authenticity and a personalized motorcycle cover. The Panigale V2 Super Quattro Final Edition will be available in dealerships in October 2024.
My dear old friends, family, it's time to say